Yo, good morning. This is the second day of me in India. I just started my bike. It's been a year since I started. Everything is working great. So I'm gonna put my chest mount on, and I'm gonna show you how it is to ride in India. So stay tuned. Wait here on the So now for the next job, because car was like standing on one place for a good few years and my front tires are completely gone. They're like balloons right now. So going to replace the tires. This is the next job, and then after that we're gonna go to barber shop to get the beard trim and everything. Yeah, so this is it for now, and yep, we'll try to show you some stuff if I can, because I don't have the car mount yet, but still I will try to show some stuff if I can. Okay, then here we go. New tires are done. Those were all the front ones are just changed now. Here we go. Bling bling. Yo, I hope you guys enjoying the vlogs and enjoying everything. So my first two vlogs gonna be some small ones. I'm just gonna be honest, like when I came here in India, my health wasn't that great. Since I landed at airport, throat was gone. I got hay fever. It was completely messed up. So even this vlog's gonna be small too, but the next vlog, I already recorded everything. I just need to finish editing and stuff. So the next vlog's gonna be me visiting Chandigarh or visiting Ludhiana, the Manchester city of Punjab. So it's gonna be one of those. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just edit it and schedule the next one. So I think next week, any day, I don't know when, but next week, sorry. So you guys gonna see the next vlog. And make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the videos. Press the bell icon and the subscribe button, which is gonna be here somewhere here. Subscribe, click on there, subscribe, and go in the description. Follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna put my tag up here. So this is my Instagram handle. You guys can follow me over there, and I will keep you guys updating what's happening. And I might put some drone shots in there though. Yeah, I got some extra drone shots. I might put that so you guys can enjoy that. And I don't know what else to put. This vlog's gonna be super small. Hope so. I think it's gonna be less than 7-8 minutes, but I haven't done that much. So this vlog is just like replacing car tires, riding my bike, because I haven't rode it in last good few years. The battery was dead, everything was dead. So I did that, and few more bits and pieces if I find any. and this is gonna be that vlog. I'm sorry for that if it's too small for you, but in future the next vlog's gonna be big one. The Chandigarh's gonna be big, the Ludhiana one's gonna be big, so you guys gonna enjoy those two vlogs. And today I'm just free. It's Sunday today. I'm just sitting here chilling, and maybe in next few days I will, this week, upcoming week, I might go somewhere and record those bits and pieces. I'm gonna try. Oh no, I got 3 vlogs now. Yeah, I got 3 vlogs. Chandigarh, Ludhiana, and third one is Anandpur Sahib. I got 3 vlogs ready to be edited and ready to upload. I'm gonna, after that I'm gonna edit one more, and then I'm gonna schedule that one, and on Saturday or Sunday, whenever I get time, I'm gonna edit another one and upload another. I thought YouTube it was easy. All you need to do is just edit and upload. But the problem is editing takes so long. How you have to manage clips. I got clips on my GoPro. I got clips on my drone. I got clips on my Insta360. I tried Insta360, but the quality is not that great. I'm gonna skip Insta360. Then I got my phone. There are some clips on there. Right now I'm recording on my phone. So much stuff. Managing those clips are super hard. I got like 50-60 clips like roaming around. Like some clips are in there, some clips are in USB stick, some clips are in the GoPro, some clips are in the hard drive. It's hard. It's hard. So I'm gonna try my best, and I'm gonna keep giving you guys newer and newer vlogs in upcoming few days. So after this, there's gonna be new one. Next week, I would say Wednesday or Thursday. Let's go Thursday. Wednesday or Thursday, new ones coming up. It could be any of those vlogs. If I go with the timeline, it's gonna be Chandigarh or Ludhiana vlog. Okay, because another post I just wasted a few days ago. So one of them coming on Wednesday and Thursday. Make sure to subscribe, press the bell icon, like the video, and what else? Follow me on Instagram here. Make sure.